Book Magic India, Private Limited.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. Myself Soni, your mentor, and today with me you people will start chapter number 1, and the name of our chapter is Numbers and Numerations. So let's start it. Students, beginning with the conversation of Chetna and her friend. Hey Chetna, shall we go for a visit to our orchard? We go there every weekend. What's new this time? There are so many apple trees in our orchard. They are laden with apples. It looks so beautiful. Let us go and study over there. So, इनकी कॉन्वर्जेशन में क्या पता चलता है कि जो उसका फ्रेंड है वो बोल रहा है क्या हम इस बार अपने ऑर्चर्ड चले घूमने? सो चेतना रिप्लाइड कि हम तो वहाँ हर वीकेंड जाते हैं, इस बार क्या नया है? सो हर फ्रेंड सेड कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे एप्पल ट्रीज हैं जिसमें एप्पल्स लदे हुए हैं और वो वहाँ पे बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. सो चेतना मान जाती हैं एंड दे गो टू द ऑर्चर्ड. आफ्टर रीचिंग द ऑर्चर्ड, चेतना रिप्लाई, यू वर राइट, इट लुक्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल हियर. नाउ हर फ्रेंड से, कैन यू गेस द नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स इन दिस ऑर्चर्ड? क्या तुम यहाँ पे जो एप्पल्स हैं इस ऑर्चर्ड में तुम इन्हें काउंट कर सकती हो? सो चेतना रिप्लाइड, maybe 600. Then this boy said, it may be more than that. You cannot count them all. So ये 600 से भी ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं, हम सब इसे काउंट नहीं कर पाएंगे. Now moving with the exercise, let us practice writing the numbers in expanded form and short forms. 789. So what is the short form of this number name? 789. The number itself. So we will write here 789. And the expanded form of this number is 700 plus 80 plus 9. In a similar manner, you will do the rest of the question by your own. Now, recap exercise. Writing the numeral for each of the following numbers name. 625. So, we have to write the number name numeral. So, 625. The rest of the part you have to do your own. Now the question number 2. Write the number name for each of the following numerals. So we have to write here number name of the numeral 556. So we will write here the spelling of 556. 556. The rest of the part you have to do your own. Now question number 3 said, write the numbers that comes just before and after in each of the following. So here we have to write the number which comes before and after. So the first part is 741. So the number which comes before the 741 is 740. So we will write here 740. And the number which comes after this number is 742. So I will write here 742. Now the question number 4. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. So 545. We have to write the expanded form of the 545. So we will write here 540 and 5. Now the question number 5 says, write the short form of the following number. So we have to write here short forms of the number. We all know short form is nothing but the number itself. So the short form of this number 776. 776. It's 776. Now question number 6. Fill in the blanks box using lesser than, greater than or equal to sign. So part A, 44 and 30. We all know 44 is greater than 30. So we will apply here the greater than sign. Now the question number 7, encircle the smallest number in each of the following. So we have to find the smallest number. In part A, the smallest number is 127. So I am circling the 127. Now question number 8, encircle the greatest number in each of the following. So here, the greatest number, we have to circle the greatest number. In this row, we have greatest number, that is 810. So we will circle it. Now the question number 9. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. We all know descending order is the order of numbers which starts with the largest number and ends with the smallest number. So here the biggest number is 715. So I will write here 715. After that we have 670. After that we have 507. And after that we have 377. And in the last, which is the smallest number in them, is 162. In the same manner you will do the rest of the part. Now the question number 10. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. We all know ascending order is nothing but the order of number which starts from the smallest number and ends with the largest number. So in this we have the smallest number 175. So 175. After that we have 348. After that we have 459. After that we have 701. And at last we have the largest number 850. Now question number 11. Counting by 2s. We all know skip counting. Here we have to do the skip counting. So 140 to 150. We will skip 2. So I am making here a number line. 140. So 141, 142, 142. So I will write here 140. After then 142. Then 143, 144. So I will write here 144. Then 145, then 146. So I will write here 146. And so on. Now the question number 12. Write the place value of the digits in the given number. So we have to write the place value of the digits. Here we have 5. 5 is at the place of 1. So I will write here 5, which is 5 ones. Now 1. 1 is at the place of 10. So I will write here 10. Now 6. 6 is at the place of 100. So I will write here 600. In the same manner, you have to perform the part B and part C. Now the concept of 4-digit number. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, students. Let us begin with the things that you have learnt in class 2. We know that 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. हमें पता है जो 999 है 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. वो एक greatest 3-digit number है. Let us add 1 to 999 as shown below. So if we are adding 1 to the 999, we are getting 1000. That is nothing but 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. We read 1000 as 1000. Now, numbers greater than 1000. So we will now learn about the numbers which are greater than 1000. So teacher is saying, yes, we have learned the numbers up to 1000. Student reply, yes ma'am. Now we will learn the numbers greater than 1000. So student replied, okay teacher, अब हम 1000 से बड़े नंबर के बारे में जानेंगे. Let us find how to obtain the greatest number. Each number greater than 1000 can be obtained by adding 1 to that number. If we want to get the number greater than 1000, we have to just add 1 to them. So some of the numbers are 1000, adding 1 to it, and we are getting 1001. Adding 1001 with 1, we are getting 1002. Now 1002 plus 1 is 1003, and so on. We can get the numbers. For example, 1004, 1005. Some more 4-digit numbers are 2055 plus 1, that gives us 2056. In a similar manner, 2206 plus 1 gives us 2207. Now let us add 1 to 999 as shown below. So if we are adding 1 to the 4 times 9, that is 9999, we are getting 10,000. We read 10,000 as 10,000. Now 1000 is the smallest 5-digit number. As we all know, 1000 is the smallest 5-digit number. And now teacher is saying that 4 times 9 is the greatest 4-digit number. Now we also know that 10 ones makes 110. Okay, we all know 10 times 1s makes 110 and 10 times 10s make 100. Here 10 times 10s makes 100. Now the amazing point is 10 times hundreds do make a 1000, as we are seeing here a grid of ones. Now counting in thousands. Teacher, we have learned skip counting in the previous class. Can we use that to find large numbers? तो आपको यहाँ पे एक स्टूडेंट पूछ रहा है कि मैम हमने स्किप काउंटिंग पढ़ा था, क्या हम आगे के नंबर्स को जानने के लिए भी स्किप काउंटिंग यूज करेंगे? सो टीचर सेड, यस दीपांशु, लेट अस डू दिस एक्टिविटी. कम हियर दीपांशु, रवि, चेतना एंड अनन्या. सो टीचर तीनों चारों बच्चों को बुला रही है. दीपांशु, रवि, चेतना एंड अनन्या. They all have different numbers like 1000, 2000, 3000 and 10,000. Now Dipanshu, Ravi and Chetna come forward and stand in a row. वो कह रही है कि आप एक रो में खड़े हो जाओ. Now children, how many thousands are there? So she is asking a question. How many thousands are there? So we have to add the thousands. 1000 plus 2000 plus 3000 gives the sum of 6000. Ananya, you also come and join them. Now count the numbers. So Ananya has 10,000. So 1000 plus 2000 plus 3000 and then the Ananya's number 10,000. We get the sum of 16,000. This way, if you keep adding 1000 10 times, you will get the number that Ananya has, and that is 10,000. Now 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. 10 times 1000 makes 10,000. Now 1000, 1000. Now 1000 plus 1000 is 2000. 3 times 1000 is 3000. In a similar manner, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000 and so on. So we are getting here 10,000. Now forming 4-digit number. We have learned that 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. We all know कि जो 1000 है वो smallest 4-digit number है. Do you know the largest 4-digit number? क्या आप जानते हैं largest 4-digit number कौन सा होता है? So, student reply, is it 9999 ma'am? So, teacher said yes, Chetna, numbers from 1000 to 4 times 9 have 4 digits. Now, student asking that what is the largest 5-digit number, teacher? तो आप बताइए कि 5-digit number टीचर कौन सा होता है? It is 99,999. Now the teacher said, but first we should learn to write all 4-digit numbers. So हमें 4-digit numbers लिखना आना चाहिए. So student replied, okay teacher. To write a 4-digit number, we add one more place before the 100, the 1000 place. So as we all know, in the earlier classes we used to make H, T, O places only. But now we know the concept of 1000, so we will add here TH, which refers to 1000. Now we have added a one more 1000. Now observe the following: 1000, 200s, 5 tens and 1 ones. So if we add them all, we are getting 1251. That is 1251. It is read as 1251. The point number 2, 3,300, 5 tens, 3 ones makes 3,353. It is read as 3,353. Now 4,200, 3 tens, 5 ones. If we add them all, we are getting 4,235. We read it as 4,235. Now 4-digit numbers on the abacus. We all know what is abacus. Abacus has spikes, standing spikes, which do have beads on it. Now teacher is saying, the children, now we will do this on abacus. Now we will add the numbers and we will get to know the numbers up to 1000 in the abacus. So, do you know how to read 4-digit number on abacus? So, student replied, no teacher, we did it for 3-digit numbers only. तो स्टूडेंट ने बताया कि मैम लास्ट क्लास में जो हमने पढ़ा था उसमें तो 3-digit नंबर के लिए बताया था. सो टीचर से To read a 4-digit number on an abacus, we read as abacus with 4 spikes. अगर हमें 1000 भी काउंट करना है अपने abacus में, तो we have to take the abacus which has 4 spikes. Starting from the right, the number of beads in the spike shows as ones, tens, 100, as we all know, but now 1000 respectively also. Now observe the abacus shown on the right. So see here, it is abacus with having 4 spikes, ones, tens, hundreds and 1000 place. It shows 5300, 7 tens and 6 ones. By counting the beads on each spike, we are getting the number 5300, 7 tens and 6 ones. We read it as 5376. Now read the numerals shown by the following abacus. Let's do with me. See here, ones is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times tens, 0 times hundreds and 4 times 1000. So the number which is shown by this abacus is 4075. In a similar manner, here ones has 1, tens has 5, hundreds has 5, and the 1000 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number shown by this P abacus is 7551. Now abacus A shows the numeral 4075 and abacus B shows the number 7551. These are read as 4075 and 7551. Now skip counting. We all know the concept of skip counting. Just we have to do the counting by skipping the number. Chetna, can you tell me what is skip counting? So teacher is asking here, Chetna बताओ मुझे skip counting क्या होता है? So Chetna replied, jumping numbers teacher. वो numbers जो jump कर रहे हैं हम. Now teacher said, yes, you're right, but observe this. Okay, so let's observe this number line. Rabbit is jumping one stack forward every time and reaching the next number. Can you say it is skipping the number? So यहाँ पूछ ही रही है टीचर. यहाँ पे टीचर पूछ रही है कि एक रैबिट है जो जंप कर रहा है हर बार 1 टाइम, ओके, 1 टाइम फॉरवर्ड. सो क्या, और उसके बाद वो अपने नेक्स्ट नंबर पे रीच कर रहा है. सो आप बता सकते हो कि स्किप, यहाँ पे स्किपिंग नंबर हो रहा है. सो द स्टूडेंट से, नो टीचर, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज स्किप काउंटिंग? नाउ ऑब्जर्व दिस. हियर इज द नंबर लाइन. This time rabbit is jumping 5 steps forward in every jump and reach 10, then 15, then 20 and then 25. Here we are, what rabbit is doing? He is doing skip counting by 5. Okay, so here it is skipping 5 numbers. So this is called skip counting. But just skipping then one number doesn't mean it is skip counting, because it is just forward counting. Now, therefore, skip counting is counting forward or backward by any number other than 1, because if it's 1, it will be meant as forward and backward counting. Now, skip counting by 2s. Here, 8004, then we are skipping 2, 8004, then 8005, then 8006. So, we are getting 8006. Similarly, 8008, then 8010, 8012 and 8014. Now, skip counting by 3. 9791. Now we are skipping it. 9791, 92 and 93. So we will, and 94. Then we will get 9794. Now skip counting by tens. So we have to count. We have to skip counting by tens. So we have to leave the 10 numbers. 7720. And then adding 10 to it, we are getting 7730. Similarly, then 7740, 7750 and so on. Now skip counting by 100. So we have to skip the counting by 100 place. Here we have 4300. So we will just skip this 100 place. Now 4300, after that 4400, then 4500. Similarly, then 600, 700, 800. In a similar manner, skip counting by thousands. So here we have to do skip counting at the 1000 place. Here 5,936. So we will skip 1000. Now we will get 6,936. After that 7,000, then 8,000, 9,000 and so on. So teacher is saying, is it clear to you students? So the student said, yes teacher. Now teacher replied, very good, now practice this exercise. So let's come on and do this exercise with me. Exercise 1A. The question number 1 says, read each abacus given below and write the corresponding number and the number name in your notebook. So here we have to count the beads on the abacus spikes and then we have to write the numbers and the number name in your class notebook. So count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 at the ones place, we have 5 in the tens place, we have 3 at the hundred place and we have 7 at the thousand place. So we will write here 7,354. In a similar manner you have to do the rest of the parts by your own. Now the question number 2. Represent the given numerals on the abacus. Here we are provided with the numbers and we have to make the beads on the abacus spikes. So here 3. 1, 2, 3 at the ones. Now tens and hundreds doesn't have any beads. Now 5 at the thousand place. In a similar manner you will do the rest of the part by your own. Now the question number 3. Write all the numbers between 3019 and 3023. So we will write here the numbers which do come after the 3019. So it will be 3020, 3021 and 3022. In a similar manner, part B you have to do by your own. Now the question number 4. For each of the following, write the next 4 numbers. So we are provided with the number and we have to write the 4 numbers which do comes after this. Now 4,599. After that we are getting 4,600. After that we will get 4,601. Then 4,602. Then 4,603. Now question number 5 says counting by 2s. So here we have to do skip counting. Write the numbers in between. So 2028, then skipping 2. 2729 and 2730. So we will write here 2730. Now 31 and 32. So I will get 2032. After that 2034. And so on. Now question number 6. Counting by 5s. Write the next 4 numbers. 6,325. Here we have to skip 5 numbers. So we can skip only this part once. So we have 632 5. Then we can write here 630, 635. Then we can write here 640, 6,340. After that we can write here 6,445. Now the question number 7, counting by 10. So we have to just skip the tens place. 8,742. Now 8,752. Similar manner 62. Similar manner 72. And so on. Now counting by hundreds. So we have to just skip the counting from 100 place. 2,816. Now 2,916, 2,000, 3,000, 16, 3,116. Now counting by thousands. In question number 9, counting by thousands. So write the 4 next number. 2,632. Now we will write here 3,633, 4,633, 5,633, 6,633. Face value and place value. Now teacher said चेतना एंड आकाश कम हियर. टीचर ने चेतना और आकाश को सामने बुलाया. नाउ ओके स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू से हु इज दिस गर्ल? स्टूडेंट्स, क्या आप बता सकते हो कि ये कौन है, ये लड़की कौन है? नाउ हु इज दिस बॉय? और बताओ कि ये लड़का कौन है? So student replied, he is Akash ma'am. How did you recognize them? आपने उन बच्चों को कैसे पहचाना? So student replied, we recognize them by their face ma'am. So बच्चों ने बताया कि मैम हम उनका फेस पहचानते हैं, हमने उसको उसके फेस से रिकॉग्नाइज किया है. Now tell me what is written on the board. So टीचर ने पूछा, अब ये बताओ कि बोर्ड पे क्या लिखा है. So student replied, this is number 5 ma'am. So here what student did? Just see the face of the number. Absolutely right. This is number 5. Teacher replied कि आप सही बता रहे हैं, ये एक number 5 है. Now the face value of a digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself. We have to understand that face value is nothing but the number itself, whatever place it may be. भले वो किसी भी place पे हो, ones पे हो, tens पे हो, 100 पे हो, 1000 पे हो. Now, thus in the numeral 5632, here the face value of 5 is 5, the face value of 6 is 6, the face value of 3 is 3, the face value of 2 is 2. Now, consider the numeral 6524. यहाँ पे एक नंबर हम नंबर के बारे में पता कर रहे हैं 6524. Arrange a digit in the place value chart as shown in the right. So here यहाँ पे हमने इसे place value chart पे लिख दिया. From the place value chart we have the place value of 4 ones. So here according to this place value chart, 4 has the value of 4 ones. 2 has the value of tens, 5 has the value of 100. Here, position is defining the number's value. The place value of 4 is 4 ones, the place value of 2 is 2 tens, the place value of 5 is 500, the place value of 6 is 6000. Place value of 6 is 6000, 6000. So now, अब हमें पता चल गया है कि place value place पे depend करती है और face value number itself. So, example number 1, find the place value of each digit 5375. Here we have to find the place value. Okay, arrange the digit 5375 in the place value chart. So, we have arranged it. Now, as shown in the right, from the place value chart we have the place value of 5, that is 5 ones. The place value of 7 is 7 tens, 70. The place value of 3 tens, 3 hundreds is 300. Now place value of 5 is 5000, 5000. Note, the place value of 0 is always 0, no matter the place is maybe a numeral. जो place value 0 की है वो हमेशा 0 ही रहेगी, even though वो 1000 या 100 place पे आ जाए, but the place value remain 0. Now find the place value of 2 sixes in 6256. The place value of 6 is 6000, that is 600, and this one 6, the other 6 appears at the ones place. हमें दिख रहा है कि 6 जो है other 6 जो है वो आपका ones place पे, so it has the place value of 6 ones, that is 6. Now teacher said, I think face value and place value of a digit in a numeral is clear to you all. So students say, yes teacher. Now teacher replied, good, now do this exercise. So now do this exercise with me. Exercise 1B. Question number 1. Complete the number grids by filling in the missing numbers. While writing the numbers, say them aloud. So here is the question. You have to just write the numbers 1001, then 1002, then 1003, then 1004, then 1005, and so on. Rest of the part you have to do your own. You have to just adding 1 to the previous number, or you just can do the forward counting. Now question number 2. Write the number name of the following numeral. So here we have to write the number name of the numeral. So it is 2033, that is 2033. So we will write here 2033. In a similar manner, rest of the part you have to do your own. Now question number 3. Write the numeral for the following numbers name. Here we have to write the numeral of the number name. Now 4060. It is 4060. So we will write here 4060. Now rest of the part you have to do your own. Question number 4. Write the place value of each digit in the following numerals. So here we have to write the place value of the numerals. Here 6 has the place value of 1. So we will write here 6. Now 2 has the value, 2 is at the tens place. So 2 has the value of 2 tens. So it's 20. Now 8 is the place of 100. So we will write here 800. And the last one is at the thousand place, that is 5. So we will write here 5000. In a similar manner, rest of the part you do your own. Question number 5. Write the face value of each digit in the following number. So we all know what is face value is. Face value is the number itself. So 5 has the face value of 5. 5 has the face value of 5. 9 has the face value of 9. 5 has the face value of 5. Moving towards the next question, that is question number 6. Write the place value and face value of each digit in 6893. So here we have to write the place value as well as the face value. So if I talk about the face value, so 6 has the face value of 6, 8 has the face value of 8, 9 has the face value of 9, 3 has the face value of 3. And the place value, so 3 is at the ones place, 9 is at the tens place, 8 is at the 100 place, and 6 is at the 1000 place. So we will write here 390, 800 and the 6000. Now question number 7. Write the place value of 2 4s in 9446. We have here 2 4s. One is at the tens place and one is at the 100 place. So we have to write the place value of 2 4s. So this 4 has the place value of 40 and this 4 has the face value of 400. Now question number 8. Find the difference in the place value of 2 6s in this number. So 8606. See here 8606. We have 6 at the ones place and 6 at the 100 place. So it has 600 and it has the value of 6. So difference is nothing but subtraction of 600 minus 6. And in the difference we are getting 10 minus 6 is 4. And then 9 and then 5. So we are getting the difference of 594. Now question number 9. Which of the following statements are correct? We have to read the statement and we have to find what is correct. The place value of 0 in 8049 is 100. So in above explanation we understood that if 0 is at any place, it doesn't have any place value. So this is false, or we can say incorrect. In a similar manner, rest of the part you have to do your own. Now the concept of numerals in expanded form and in their short form. So, hello students, do you know which number is this? Teacher is asking to the students, आप बताओ कि ये नंबर कौन सा है? So student replied, it is 8058. So teacher replied, very good. Do you know about the forms of numerals? There are two forms, expanded and short form. So teacher ने बच्चों को बताया कि आपको पता है numerals की two forms होती है. कौन कौन सी? Expanded form and short forms. So let's learn more about it. Writing a number as sum of the place value of the digit is called its expanded form. The sum of the place value. जब हम place value के sum की बात करते हैं तो वो हमारा expanded form होता है. And the number itself is said to be in the standard form or a short form. और जो number है वो अपनी short form या फिर standard form में होता है. For example, 5289 is in standard form and short form. That is equals to the expanded form 5000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 9. Another example, example number 4. Write 8576 in expanded form. So, arrange the digit 8576 in the place value chart as shown below. 8576 in the expanded form, it will be written as 8517 and 6 ones. In figures, it will be like 8000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 6. Thus, the expanded form of 8576 will be 8000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 6. The number formed by the writing all the place value in the combined form is called the short or standard form. जब हम नंबर को कंबाइन कर लेते हैं, एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म का सम निकाल लेते हैं, तो वो एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म या फिर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में होता है. नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 5. Write the following in short form. So we have to write here short form of this expanded form. We all know that short form of any expanded form is nothing but the sum of the expanded form. So here 3000 adding 500, adding 50 and adding 3, we are getting 3553. Similarly here 5000 plus 70 plus 7 is 5077. Here 3000 plus 550 plus 3 is 3553.